So in the process of doing an engine swap into a Fiat X1, there's a section of the car, which is the engine bay, which I will call as a test body, and all the wiring that supports that engine to run, along with modules and all kinds of fun stuff. So as I progress through this, I like to get the engine in the test body, coolant, fuel, everything set up, and make sure it's going to start. And then I can start removing unnecessary things in the wiring harness and start it from time to time. So that way, if I've disconnected something that I shouldn't have, I have the ability to backtrack my steps a bit and correct the problem. But most of the auxiliary stuff like lighting and flashers and seat heater wire, airbags, all that can be deleted. So what I'm going to do now is sit down in that chair, bend over, and grab that key switch and crank this engine and it'll start. I do not have the downpipe on. I have the catalytic converter on, but the downpipe just south of the converter has an O2 sensor which isn't connected, so the engine's looking for a change in status. It's going to try to grab a sample and it won't be able to, so that's going to affect the idle, but it's not going to prevent the engine from starting and for me to rev the engine up a bit before I asphyxiate myself in this closed environment. Gas pedal, and the key switch is here. Just out of curiosity, there, four-way flashers work. Good sign. Anyways, we'll turn it on. Fuel pump is priming the rail, and now I'll give it a crank. Yep. High because the way this engine is set up for emissions, it normally idles between 11 and 1500 when it's cold, and as it warms up it keeps stepping down. But again, I don't have the O2 sensor. I think it's sitting right here wrapped up in some paper. That's the downstream. It's obviously not going to grab anything, and as I revved it up, you may have noticed the turbocharger blew the silicone hose off. I don't have any clamps on any of the induction system right now. There's no point. The whole thing is to make sure the engine will start and rev up, and it does.